Hello guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you get QR or how can you get coupon codes for your eBay account in 2023. So for this, we just need to go on our Safari browser simply here, and you're seeing a website here. You will just have to back and search on the search bar eBay coupon code 2023. So just simply enter that here. So this is, you can see there's a lot of websites showing coupon codes, but you have to choose the best website, that is Los Angeles Times here. You will click on it and you will find a lot of codes here. I will just scroll down and you can see there is 5%, 20%, 30%, and all of types of the coupons. So to see a coupon, you just have to click on the view coupon option, copy this coupon from here, and I will go on the eBay website, select a product for me which I want to order that. So I will select a pant here. Let me just do that. You can see this is my project and I want to buy it. Click on the buy now option. After that, you can enter that copied coupon code into your payments option like this I'm doing. Firstly, you have to enter your address here because I don't have any address, so I will leave it. And on the second page, you can just enter this code and get a 30% discount on eBay. So this is a trick by which you can just copy all the codes from your eBay website just clicking on that website. Thank you so much for watching this video.